everybody, this is Northeastern Redneck here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to jumpstart a lawn tractor or a lawnmower. And I ran into this problem a few weeks ago when I tried to start my lawnmower and it just simply wouldn't start or turn over, and I assumed that it was the battery having this problem. And let me just show you what it sounds like when I try to start it. See, it just makes no sound, or it doesn't even try to start because the battery is so freaking dead in it. So I'm going to be showing you how to quickly start a lawnmower if you do not have the time to charge a battery, if you just want to quickly get a job done, or haul ass anything. So one of the things you're going to need is a jump starter. Anyone is fine. I use a Stanley Fat Max Professional Power Station with the black clamp and the red clamp for the power jump starter. So I'm going to be showing you how to do it. So let's get started. So let's bring it to the back over here. So what you're going to do is locate the battery on your lawnmower. I have a Craftsman 2012 model, so the battery is located right underneath the seat of the lawnmower. Some other models, earlier models, will be located underneath the hood of the engine, like where the gas is located. So what you're going to do here is that you're going to take the red clamp and attach the red to the red, and take the black clamp and attach the black to the black, which the red is negative. I mean, the red is positive and the black is negative. If you do not have colors, make sure it's on the securely. Turn on your generator. Come over here. Carefully start your lawnmower. Make sure the brakes are activated. It might take a few tries. Take the clamps out, shut off the generator,